In today's video, I'll show you how to set minimum notice in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you want to prevent last-minute bookings and give yourself enough preparation time, this setting is very useful. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Availability or Scheduling Rules section from the left-hand menu. This is where all your booking controls are managed. Now look for the option called Minimum Scheduling Notice. Click on it to open the settings. Next, choose how much advance notice you want to require before clients can book an appointment. For example, you can set it to 2 hours, 24 hours, or even several days depending on your workflow. After setting your preferred time, make sure it matches your business needs so you have enough time to prepare for each appointment. You may also see options to set different minimum notice rules for different appointment types, which is helpful if you offer multiple services. Once everything is configured, click Save Settings to apply the changes. Now, Acuity will automatically block last-minute bookings that do not meet your minimum notice requirement. Before finishing, test your booking page to confirm that unavailable time slots are properly restricted. If needed, you can always come back and adjust the minimum notice based on how your schedule changes over time. And that's it. You've successfully set minimum notice in Acuity Scheduling and improved control over your booking flow. And that's how you set minimum notice in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.